Hi everyone, this is Mr. Perry, and today we are going to look at mathematics for 2017 paper 1 GCE, and the question is based on the topic called trigonometry. So the question states, the diagram below shows triangle ABC in which AC equals to 18 centimeters and angle CAB equals to 30 degrees and angle ABC equals to 90 degrees. Okay, so in this case, you're supposed to take note that when you're dealing with this right angle triangle, there are some concept you need to understand. So this is a right angle triangle. So in this case, where this 90 is pointing, you're supposed to take note of the part. So if you have A, say A, C, then this is our B. Where this right angle is pointing, this part is going to be the hypotenuse. Okay, so if you have an angle inside, okay, which is theta, where the angle is pointed, this part is called to be the opposite. Then this part becomes what you call the adjacent. Okay, so now in this case, if the angle is here, which simply means that this part will become our opposite, then this will become our adjacent. So in this case, we are supposed to use what we call SOH CAH TOA. So for you to use SOH CAH TOA, this is our trigonometrical ratios, which simply means that sine theta is just equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, so we have opposite over hypotenuse. Then if you have CAH, which simply means it's cosine cos theta equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. Then for TOA, which is tan theta equals to what you call opposite over adjacent. Now let's look at the question. They are saying calculate the length of BC. So if you are able to take note, this is our angle, and where the angle is pointing, this part we have said is to be our opposite. Then where the right angle is pointing, this is the hypotenuse. So now we consider like this part, which is the trigonometrical ratios, where there's opposite and the hypotenuse, and which simply means you're supposed to use this ratio. So we are going to say sine theta equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So in this case now, what you're supposed to take note is that sine theta, so we are going to substitute sine where this theta is 30 degrees equals to what is our opposite? Our opposite is the one we are finding, which is BC, we don't know. Then for hypotenuse, where the right angle is pointing, is 18 centimeters. But sine 30 is a special angle. Simply means that sine 30 degrees, it's the same as 1 over 2, or you can say it's 0.5. So we are going to substitute where there is this, we put 1 over 2. So where there is sine 30, we say 1 over 2 equals to BC over 18 centimeters. And now in this case, we are going to cross multiply, where we will multiply this and this, which will give us 2 BC equals to 18. Then both sides we are going to divide with the 2, giving here with 2. Then our BC in this case becomes 9 centimeters. So this is how you solve this kind of equation. Thank you.